Assalamu alaikum, my cooking in a budget's family. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start the recipe. 3 medium-sized potatoes boiled and mashed. Cabbage 1/2 cup. 1/4 cup of grated carrot. 1/2 cup of boiled and shredded chicken. Salt to taste. 1/4 tablespoon of red pepper powder. Black pepper powder 1/2 tablespoon. 1/2 tablespoon of red pepper crushed. Chicken powder 1/2 tablespoon. Combine well. Chop to bread slices. Again, combine all the ingredients. Make rolls from it. Make 10 rolls. Next, coat each roll in egg and roll it in rust crumbs until fully covered. Shallow fry in medium hot oil on medium flame until it turns golden. Alhamdulillah. Our bread rolls are ready. Serve hot, crispy, golden, and ready to enjoy, perfect for your iftar table. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly ideas. Support the channel by liking and sharing with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next delicious recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.